Hey everyone, welcome back. Yeah, it's me again. I'm back. This video is going to be a get ready with your girl. And if you want to know how to get to this 90s vibe, then, watch the video. Come on now. I got this hat. Oh, it's so cute. I got this blazer. I got these earrings that say queen on them because what are we? We're queens, right? You're a queen, sis. Don't act like that. I don't want to hear it. Don't let nobody tell you you're not a queen because you are, okay? It's a whole vibe on this side of town. You want this vibe. I want you to have this vibe. If you guys want to see these pictures, then follow me on social media because that's where the pictures are gonna be. Don't forget to subscribe to your girl in the corner. Come on. I need you to subscribe because, I'm trying to build a family. I want you to be a part of the family. So, I'm gonna give you a couple seconds to subscribe. It's okay, take your time. I'm gonna let the video take it from here. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get out of here. I already did my eyebrows to speed up the process because I will be here forever and a day. I'm gonna go in with this Anastasia Prism palette. I'm gonna go in with a Saturn. It's like a cute little orange shadow. I don't know what it is, but I love orange shadows, like as my transition shadows. Just looks so nice on the eyes, like who doesn't love a nice orange? Like, come on. I woke up this morning and I was like, I need to get my nails done. I need them done. I was like breaking nails. Like I was freaking grabbing the door yesterday. My pinky like lifted and I wanted to start crying. Like it was bad. Okay, so tell me how, like about a week ago, right? My last two videos, like I had a bob and I was like, I'm so tired of looking at this raggedy freaking bob. Like this thing has to go. Cause when you have a bob, you can't do much with it. I mean, you can wear it curly or straight and that's about it. So I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna take this hair out cause it needs to go. And I'm just gonna, put on like a little U-part wig. This hair is from Nadula Hair. It was my first time ordering from them. I'm gonna go in with Eden. It's like a light peachy pink. And I'm just gonna buff out Saturn. So lately, I've been telling myself, I was like, oh, I wanna get to 50 subscribers by the end of the month. And I was like, I should not be doing that. Like, I should, but I shouldn't. And the reason why is because I feel like when I tell myself I want to get a certain amount of subscribers, I feel like I'm limiting my opportunities and my blessings and my options and whatnot. Why can't I get 20 subscribers by the end of the month? Why am I telling myself a certain amount? But then I shouldn't be doing that because, I'm like motivating myself. I'm giving myself a goal. So I'm kind of like torn between that. It's like a good thing, but then I don't know. But I could be tripping because I overthink everything I do. Like, I overthink things I already did. I swear, I would lose my head if it wasn't attached to my body. I'd be losing everything. I went and got my nails done today. I want to do like something really cute, like Christmas colors. Like, I don't know, I need like some nail inspos. Oh my gosh, I remember the first time I did a cut crease. Ooh, that thing was looking bad. I don't think I cut the full cut crease. I think I cut like half my lid. Like, I didn't know what the heck I was doing. But I love it when I like think about my progress and everything. Like, I freaking love it. It's like because I know like where I started. I'm gonna go in with this Morphe 3502 palette. I'm gonna put that on top of my lid. Yeah, like I love thinking about my progress, And I love it. Like, it makes me so happy. Like, nobody can tell me I'm not evolving. I am. You can't tell me nothing. As long as I'm better than who I was yesterday and the week before that, sis, I'm good. Like, your opinion, it means nothing. You can take it and I'ma do me regardless. The other day, I'm not gonna lie, I tried to make this video and it just wasn't happening. When I tell you, when I have to redo my brows at least 2 times, it's a wrap. Like, it's not gonna happen. I'm not even gonna attempt to do eyeshadow. I'm just gonna give up. And I don't mean give up like, you know what, I can't do this. Sometimes we have our days. Give us a break and we're gonna try again tomorrow. One thing I hate, and I don't know who thought to put this in the book, I hate that you are like your biggest critic. I criticize myself on everything, like literally everything. I'm trying to like put these like clothes to use, Like, I didn't just buy these clothes to sit in the closet. What? So lately, it's been getting kind of cold in Florida. I live in South Florida, by the way, if y'all don't know. But like, it's been getting kind of cold. It's not, let me stop. It's not even cold. It's like a little bit of chilly. Every time I do like a dark shadow in my crease, I feel like it's not dark enough. And then I feel like I have to darken it up some more. And then that's when I mess it up. And then I regret my whole life decision because it's like, what was I thinking? Like, I feel like I mess everything up with that one decision. I think I'm gonna attempt to start doing some wigs. But the thing is, I cannot braid my hair. Like, can somebody do like a Zoom class or something for girls I can't braid? I'm applying some lash oil because I'm gonna go in with some glitter. This is the Goddess glitter from Flutteredbyro. I love her glitters. I really want like a lime glitter. I feel like that would be so cute. But yeah, I think I'm gonna try to get into wigs. I feel like I just have to practice. Like, I did wigs before, but I did like more natural ones. So like they came out pretty good. But I really wanna like, I wanna go out the box. I finally got all my eyelashes. And it took me like a good 10 minutes because I don't know what was going on. I feel the biggest freaking pimple coming on my chin. Like, I can feel it. It hurts. I feel like I mix everything I use. Like, I mix foundation, I mix primer. Talk about somebody over here mixing formulas like I'm a freaking scientist. I'm gonna mix 2 foundations. Even though like this is the worst year ever, I feel like if this whole thing didn't happen, I probably wouldn't have made all the decisions I made in my life. Would I have quit my job? Like, would I have decided that I wanted to go back and make YouTube videos? I really think about that sometimes. I'm gonna start doing some highlighting and contouring. Does anybody else feel like they're wearing more makeup than usual? So I basically found out it's a waste to even get a gel pedicure. It's like a waste because it lasts just as long as like regular polish. I feel like I've been lied to my entire life. Alright, I'm gonna set this contour. Does anybody else wake up at like the same time, like every morning? I used to think it was so weird. I'm like, oh, just my body being, you know, used to it. It's so weird because I get sleepy at like around the same time. Like last night it was like 11:59 and I'm like yawning. I was like, oh my gosh, I'm getting old. My body just cannot take it anymore. I'm gonna bronze a little bit of my face. This is the NARS. Oh my gosh, I can't even open this. I'm gonna go in with this Amrezy. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with this NYX lip liner in Toast. For my lip gloss, I'm gonna go in with this Dose of Colors. I'm like addicted to smelling it. We like smell this all day. I want to hear nobody talking about me smelling this freaking lip gloss. I'm gonna get dressed and I'm gonna come back and show you this hat in my haul. I thought it was so cute. I got these earrings. I'm wearing this blazer. I have on a white crop top and then I just have on some high-waisted jeans. These jeans are from Fashion Nova, by the way. I'm probably gonna wear this like with some nude heels. Y'all, I'm obsessed. I know you guys are too. Don't act like that. You know this is a whole vibe on this side of town, okay? I will post these pictures on my Instagram so y'all can see what they look like. Follow your girl. We're gonna be one big happy family, okay? And our kids are gonna be my videos. Let me get up out of here. I am doing the most. Be safe, wear your mask, take care of yourself. Need you happy and healthy. I'm gonna see y'all in my next video.